welcome to the cooking portion of the show. I am super excited. I'm looking at rabbits running around below my feet. So if you hear me scream, it's because there's a rabbit nibbling on my toes. We're at the Mann family farm in beautiful, beautiful Abbotsford, British Columbia. It's a time of year where you have access to amazing fresh fruits and vegetables, and at this farm, they have it all. Today's recipe is grilled baby beets with a strawberry glaze. We're gonna finish it with some goat's cheese. I think it's an amazing dish. What I've done is I've purchased these beautiful young beets. We're going to grill them. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes. We'll get that. Gosh, we'll show you the animals around here later. They're everywhere. Beets are gonna go on the grill first. If they're small baby beets, leave them whole. If they're less than about an inch, put them right on the grill. If they're bigger than an inch, just cut them in half. If you have the stems, which unfortunately I couldn't find, the greens on beets are very good for you, so leave those on as well. They taste amazing on the grill. Okay, so we're gonna start by cutting these in half. Again, leave the long tails on. It adds the drama of the dish as well. So we'll cut that in half. Get about a pound of beets is good. Again, you're looking for baby beets or at least very small beets. Okay, so this is all nicely tossed. All sides are coated. We're going to put them, I'm going to put them the lower side up. And close the top off to get the heat and the roasting going. We're going to grill a few of the strawberries as well. So we'll put about a half a cup of these berries on the barbecue. Get those going as well. And then I'll get the rest of the ingredients in for the sauce. So we're gonna go and put in 1 tablespoon of raspberry vinegar. You can use a raspberry vinegar. I've bought a white wine vinegar. A champagne vinegar is fine as well. So 1 tablespoon of that. There we go. 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme. We're also going to take our spice as well, and at the very end, put one of these on the barbecue for garnish. So we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of this. Smells are amazing. Put that inside, don't worry about chopping it up. We're gonna put in 1 tablespoon of oil as well. I'm putting in the flaxseed oil, so 1 tablespoon of that. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm not putting in garlic, putting in the garlic powder to intensify the flavor, so we'll put in 1 teaspoon of that. Good. Pinch of salt. Put in a little bit of pepper. I don't know about you, but I love summertime and grilling outdoors often, as much as I can. If you catch me eating, it's usually off the barbecue in the summertime. Okay, so we have all that in there. The strawberries are roasting nicely. Getting a nice char on them from the natural sugars. Just turn those around. The beets are smelling good too. Let's get the strawberries off the barbecue. I don't want them to be too soft so I can't handle them. And then we will cut the tops off and put them inside of the pot as well. And then put that on the barbecue and get that going. You've got your fruit in there. I'll just mash it up just a touch. And then I'm gonna put it on the barbecue, and not forgetting the handle's gonna be hot, so I've got to grab something to cover my handle for that as well. We'll get that boiling on the side over here. When we come back from our commercial, we'll have the beets ready. I'm gonna show you how to plate it, glaze. It's gonna be amazing. See you in a minute.